Mobile service is an idea that we've had for quite some time. As of late, we were able to bring that finally to a reality. So mobile service is exactly what it sounds like. It's an optionality for the client to receive service, convenient to them for their schedule, at a location that's not here in the building. So we can come to their house, their place of business, if it accommodates, and perform a multitude of light duty maintenances and services, small repairs, recalls, service campaigns, even some minor diagnostic work can be performed with the van. I'm personally excited about this mobile service option because it's been an idea for a long time. This is a way for us to include our clients in the service. They kind of get to see some of behind the scenes of action of what happens when we service their vehicle. And it's an easy way for us to continue to do business on their terms. We understand that people are busy and they don't always have the time and ability to come into the physical building here. So how about we come to you and make it even easier for you? Getting an appointment for the service van is easy. We have a link right on our website, and you can find it also on our social media platforms. The link will ask a couple questions in regards to the type of service and the layout and address so that we can look it up on our end to make sure everything will be accommodated properly. And then we will reach out to you to coordinate that for your schedule.